Hi everyone, so we're here today for the SAT question of the day for September 18th, 2011. 54% of students answered this one correctly. Kind of a medium level question. It's an improving sentences question in the writing section. Let's go ahead and read it. Since William the Conqueror in 1066, every British sovereign has been crowned in Westminster Abbey except Edward V and Edward VI. Neither of them were crowned. Okay, so let's start with the original here, which is the same as answer choice A, as you know. There's a couple of reasons why this doesn't work. First of all, it's a comma splice. If you don't know what that is, I would definitely encourage you to look that up. It's when you put a comma in between two consecutive sentences. So that is the clearest reason why it's wrong. But another reason why it's wrong is that neither is technically a singular pronoun. A lot of people mistake it as a plural pronoun, but neither is sort of the same as an it. And the reason why you know that is because you can put the word one, which is the definition of singular, directly after neither. So neither one of them was, in the same way that you would say it was. So it shouldn't be neither of them were, it should be neither of them was, right? Same problem with B. Neither were, well, no, neither one of them was. Okay. Now C, neither of whom was. Well, first of all, it fixes the comma splice because the second part is no longer a sentence. And second of all, the whom, which seems a little awkward at first glance, is actually correct because it is the object of the verb crowned. There were two British sovereigns who were not crowned, and since they were the object and not the subject, that's why we use the word whom. So I encourage you to take a look up here at the top. I wrote a little extra note on who versus whom. Who is a subject pronoun, and whom is an object pronoun. Okay, so C is going to be correct, and then D. The with is not really the correct preposition. We also want to avoid the word being in the middle of sentences, and then the same goes for E. We want to avoid that with in the beginning of the answer there. So the answer here is going to be C.